In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Bitwarden email using your phone. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step to make sure it's seamless for you. First things first, open up your Bitwarden app on your phone. This secure platform is where you'll manage all your passwords and protected information, and naturally, to make changes to your account details. Once you have that app opened, you need to look for the profile icon. This is generally located at the top of the screen. Tapping on the profile is your entryway to setting changes and account information. Now you're in your profile, you'll see several options. What we're interested in is the account settings. So go ahead and tap on Account Settings. This section is where you have the power to alter your account specifics, including your email. Once inside Account Settings, your next move is to find and tap on Change Email. Ready to switch things up? Great! Here comes a crucial step where you'll need to type in your master password. Remember, this is the key to your Bitwarden kingdom, so ensure you enter it correctly and keep it secure. After you've typed your master password, it's time to input your new email address. Make sure there's no room for typos here, because this will be your new login credential. Confirm the new email address to set it in motion. With your new email ready and entered, tap on Continue. Keep an eye on your new email inbox because you'll receive a verification email shortly. It's important to verify your email to ensure that everything transitions smoothly and remains secure. When that email arrives, open it up and you'll find a verification code. Go ahead and copy that code. Then switch back to your Bitwarden app and paste the code into the designated area. This step ensures that the new email is truly yours and properly linked to your account. Once you've pasted the code, tap on Change Email. Congratulations, you've officially changed your Bitwarden email. But there's one final step to wrap it all up neatly. Log back into your Bitwarden account using your newly updated email. On the login screen, carefully type in your new email, and of course, use your reliable password. When you see your Bitwarden account open up and everything looks good, you can breathe a sigh of relief and take pride in successfully updating your email address. And that's it. You've just changed your Bitwarden email using your phone. Remember to double check everything and keep your information secure at all times. Thanks for following along, and see you next time for more tech tips.